Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are fine and doing well. So all excited, today we are going to visit a beautiful hill station in Maharashtra, the misty Matheran in Rains. We had visited Matheran many times before, but never in rains. So we thought why not visit in monsoon this time? And friends, the route itself to reach Matheran was very beautiful, that we could not resist ourselves at stopping at few points and enjoying it. We could sight n number of waterfalls as we were driving uphill the Matheran Ghat. Wow, just have a look at this road guys, it was so beautiful. Literally we were driving through the clouds. We had not even reached Matheran yet, but this route itself made us so happy. And friends, do check our first vlog about the road trip from Pune to Matheran. The nearest railway station to Matheran is Neral. From Neral railway station, you can hire a shared taxi and reach Matheran's parking point, Dasturi Naka. The shared taxi costs Rs 80 per person, or you can also hire the full taxi at Rs 400 or something approx. Mumbai to Matheran is around 80 to 90 kilometers and Pune is around 120 kilometers.
Hello friends, you can park your vehicles out here at a minimum cost. I'll just let you know what the cost is, and it's quite safe out here.
It's more convenient to come here by your own vehicle. Though there is ample parking space available here, but during high tourist season there is lot of chaos near the parking space. So remember to plan your journey accordingly as you will need some extra time out here. The parking cost out here is Rs 45 for a two-wheeler and Rs 80 for a four-wheeler. We had to pay Rs 240 for 3 days. They also have facilities to keep your helmet at minimum cost. And friends, at this point there are few vendors who sell raincoats and hats at Rs 30 each. After parking our vehicle, we walked to the Matheran entrance gate. Out here you have to purchase an entry ticket. The cost of entry ticket is Rs 50 for an adult and Rs 25 for a child. As you can see, at the entrance on the right hand side is the MTDC resort of Matheran. Mask is compulsory and there is a fine of Rs 500 in case you are found without it. It's such a beautiful morning. It's 9 and it took us 3 hours to reach here from Pune with few breaks. And yeah, the climate is very pleasant and cold. So friends, that place is the Matheran entrance point. From there we are going all the way down to Aman Lodge railway station, from where we will be catching the toy train to Matheran. To reach Matheran, you can either hire a horse, which will cost you around 3 to 400 approx, or you can hire a hand-pulled rickshaw, which will cost you around 600 approx. You can also go to Matheran by the Matheran toy train shuttle service, or you can walk to Matheran, which is just 1.5 kilometers from here. And Nishant is all excited to go by toy train. Matheran has so much to offer to kids. There are horses, there are monkeys, waterfalls, the toy train, and walk in the jungle. So family like us with kids really enjoy these kind of trips. Finally, we reached the Aman Lodge ticket counter to purchase the train tickets. This is the path from where the horses or the hand-pull rickshaws go. But many prefer to walk along the railway route as the path is very scenic and convenient. We were so excited to take a joyride in this cute little toy train. Friends, do watch a video made separately on our toy train journey. Just have a look at this beautiful valley, guys. It's so beautiful. After getting fresh, we decided to walk to the market and explore the surrounding points. We first visited the Nauroji Lord Garden just near the market. This garden is such a beautiful place to relax and sit when in Matheran. Madhavji Point is located inside the Nauroji Lord Garden. The view is very beautiful from here, but most of the time it was covered with fog. As you can see, there are few game stalls here where people can enjoy various types of fun games. And friends, it's a request that when you go to such points, do play 1 or 2 games, as these vendors wait whole day for few customers to earn their living. As the evening approached, it became quite cold, so we stopped for a cup of tea at a nearby tea stall. Next day, fresh and excited, we decided to visit the other points in Matheran. If you walk down from the market to the end of the road, you will come to a diversion where one path will lead you to Radha Cottage area, while the other path will lead you to Charlotte Lake Eco Point. You can hire horses for sightseeing, which will cost you around 500 to 600 approx, depending upon the points you would like to visit. Or you can also hire the hand-pull rickshaw. Really loved walking through this beautiful forest path. We also sighted few beautiful heritage properties, which was a sight to look at. It's such a pleasure, guys, walking in this rain and enjoying the monsoon. It kind of creates a very positive effect on your body and mind. And after walking for some time, we came at this beautiful location. And just have a look, guys, it is so beautiful. This amazing point is called the Celia Point. It is such a beauty. From here we walk down to the Charlotte Lake, which is the most famous tourist spot in Mathेरान. In monsoon, the Charlotte Lake overflows and creates this beautiful mini waterfall. Charlotte Lake is very scenic and peaceful. You'll love spending time out here. And in no time, the full lake got covered with fog. It was such a beautiful experience. A short walk through the forest path from the Charlotte Lake is the Lord's Point. It offers a beautiful view of the natural surroundings. And in no time the full place got covered with clouds and it started raining. After enjoying at Lord's Point, we have come down to King George Point. And as you can see, the view of this place is really awesome. From King George Point, you can walk a little further towards Eco Point. There are around 38 points in Mathेरान which give the view of the same valley but from different angles. And friends, after enjoying this beautiful stay in clouds for 3 days, we return back to our sweet home. Thanks a lot for watching, friends. Do subscribe our channel and watch our other videos on Mathेरान.